Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to discuss real numbers exercise 2.7. Rationalize the denominator. First question, 1 by root 50. So denominator we are going to rationalize. Okay. So what do you want to do? First you take the number 1 by root 50. This root we need to eliminate. So what do you want to do? What is there in the denominator? You have to multiply both numerator as well as the denominator. This is conjugate method they will say. Okay. So now you multiply numerator 1 into root 50 will get root 50 divided by root 50 into root 50. What you will get children? 50. Okay. Because root a into root a equal to a. Okay. So now you split this root 50. How can you split this? Root of 5 into 2. 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. 50. Okay. Here this is square root. So out of two numbers, 1 you take it out. So 2 5s are there. So 1 you take it. 5. Remaining root 2 is there. So 5 root 2 divided by 50. Now divide this. 5 ones are 5. 5 tens are 50. So what is the answer children? Root 2 by 10 as the answer. Okay. So do you understand? 1 by root 50. So we are going to rationalize the denominator. So what do you want to do? What is there in the denominator? We have to multiply. Okay. So multiply the numerator as well as the denominator. So root 50 by root 50. So 1 into root 50 will get root 50 divided by root 50 into root 50. What you will get? 50. Now you split this 5 into 5 into 2. Here 2 5s are there. So 1 you take it out because this is square root. Okay. So 5 root 2 divided by 50. 5 ones are 5. 5 tens are 50. Okay. So what is the answer? Root 2 divided by root 2 by 10. Okay children. You understand? And see the next one. Root of 75 divided by root 80. First you split this. Root 75, how can you write this? 3 into 25 you will get 75. So 3 into 25, how can you split? 5 into 5 divided by root of 6 3s are 80. 6, how can you split? 2 3s are 6 into 3. You will get 18. Okay. See here 2 5s are there. So how can you write this? 5 root 3 divided by here 2 3s are there. So 3 root 2. Now you rationalize the denominator. So what do you want to do? You have to multiply and divide with 3 root 2. So 3 root 2 by 3 root 2. Okay. First you multiply the coefficient. 5 3s are 50. Next this root 3 into root 2. What you will get? Root 6. 3 2s are 6. Divided by 3 into 3 you get 9. Root 2 into root 2 what you will get children? 2. Okay. So 15 root 6 divided by 9 2s are 18. Now see here 15 by 18. Okay. We divide this 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. So what is the answer children? 5 root 6 divided by 6. Divided by 6. Okay, so what is the answer? 5 root 6 divided by 6. I repeat this. First you split it. How can you split this 25? 3 into 5 into 5 divided by root 18, 2 into 3 into 3. Here 2 5s are there. So 1 5 you take it out because this square root. Okay. So 5 root 3 divided by, here 2 3s are there. So 1 3 you take it out. So 3 root 2. Now we are going to rationalize the denominator. In denominator what is there? 3 root 2. So multiply and divide this. 3 root 2 by 3 root 2. Okay, so now you multiply the numerator. 5 3s are 15. Root 3 into root 2, you get root 6. Okay, divided by 3 3s are 9. Root 2 into root 2, what you will get, children? 2. So 9 2s are 18. Okay, now you divide this. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. So what is the answer, children? 5 root 6 by 6. You understand? See the next question. 3 root 5 by root 6. 3 root 5 by root 6. So we are going to rationalize the denominator. So you have to multiply and divide by root 6. Now here 3 is a 3. Root 5 into root 6. 5 6 are 30 divided by root 6 into root 6. What you will get? 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So what is the answer? Root 30 by 2. So answer, children, root 30 by 2. You understand, children? See the next one. Rationalize the denominator and simplify. First we have to rationalize the denominator. After that we need to simplify. Okay, see here, root 48 plus root 32 divided by root 27 minus root 18. Okay. So rationalize the denominator. What you will do? What is there in the denominator? You have to write as it is. Just here in previous one, only one term is there. So what should be there in the denominator? You written directly. Okay. But here two terms are there. Here you see here in between the symbol will be there. Okay. This one you want to change. If it is negative, you can change it in positive. Suppose if positive is given, you have to change it in negative. That you want to do it. Okay, children. So what you want to do? You have to multiply root 27. Here minus is there. So you put plus root 18 divided by root of 27 plus root 18. You understand what you want to do? Just you want to change the sign. Okay. Now you multiply this. First root 48 into root 27. Root 48 into root 27. Likewise, root 32 into root 27. Okay. So, root of, how can you write this? 48 into 27 plus root of 32 into 27. Okay. Next. Root 48. Root 48 into root 18 as well as root 32 into root 18. So here numerator all are positive. So plus root of 48 into 18 plus root of 32 into 18 divided by, see the denominator, root 27 minus root 18, root 27 plus 18. Here root 27, root 27, root 18, root 18. Only thing the sign alone differ. So it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Here a equal to 27, b equal to 18. Okay. So what you will write? So root 27 the whole square minus root 18 the whole square. You understand, children? Okay. Now you split this root of 48. 48, how can you split this? 3 into 16 into 27, 3 9s are. Okay. Plus root of 32, 2 into 16 into 27, 3 9s are. Plus 48, 3 into 16 into 18, 2 9s are. Plus 2 into 16 into 2 9s are 18 divided by root 27 the whole square. I already told you root a into root a, what you will get? A. So root 27 the whole square, what you will get? 27 minus root 18 the whole square, what you will get? 18. Okay. See here, here's 16. Square root of 16, what is the answer, children? 4. Square root of 9, what is the answer? 3. And remaining, see here, what is there? 3, 3. 2 3s are there. So 1, 3, you take it out. Okay. Then plus here 16. For 16. Square root of 16, 4 into square root of 9, 3. And remaining, what is there? 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. Plus, here's square root of 16, 4. Square root of 9, 3. Remaining, 3 2s are 6. Plus 16. Square root of 16, 4. Square root of 9, 3. And 2 2s are there. So out of 2, 2, you take it 1 out. So divided by 27 minus 18. What you will get, children? 9. Now 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 12 3s are 36 plus here 4 3s are 12 root 6 plus 4 3s are 12 root 6 plus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 divided by 9. Okay. Now you simplify this. 36 plus 24. What you will get, children? 4 plus 6 10, 0, remaining 1. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 7. 60 plus 24 root 6, because 12 root 6, 12 root 6. Okay. So 24 root 6 divided by 9. Okay, children. Then here any other numbers, any numbers are there, common numbers. What you will take it out? 3. So 3 20s are 60 plus 8 3s are 24 root 6 divided by 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So what you will write? 20 plus 8 root 6 by 3. Do you understand, children? You have any doubt? Okay, children. See the next question. Two root 6 minus root 5 divided by 3 root 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay, first we are going to rationalize the denominators. So 2 root 6 minus root 5 divided by 3 root 5 minus 2 root 6 into, here minus is there, so you multiply with the plus. So 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6. Now multiply this. Okay, so 2 root 6 into 3 root 5. Okay, next minus is there, minus here plus, minus into plus, minus root 5 into 3 root 5. Next 2 root 6 into 2 root 6 minus root 5 into 2 root 6. So plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 6 minus into plus, minus root 5 into 2 root 6 divided by, here it is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So what is the formula? A minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Here a equal to 3 root 5 the whole square minus 2 root 6 the whole square. Okay. Now you multiply this. 2 3s are 6. Root of 6 5s are 30 minus root 5 into root 5 you will get 5. So 5 3s are 15 plus 2 2s are 4. Root 6 into root 6, 6 minus 2 root 5 into root 6 you get root 30 divided by 3 root 5 the whole square. 3 square you will get 9. Root 5 the whole square 5 minus 2 square 4. Root 6 the whole square 6. See here 6 root 30 minus 15 plus 4 6 are 24 minus 2 root 30 divided by 9 5s are 45 minus 4 6 are 24. So what is there here? 6 root 30 minus 2 root 30. 6 minus 2 what you will get? 4 root 30 minus 15 plus 24. What you will get? Plus 9 divided by 45 minus 24. 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. So what is the answer? 4 root 30 plus 9 divided by 21. Do you understand, children? What is the answer? 4 root 30 plus 9 by 21. Thank you, children.